That smells so good. Well, Monday evenings have never been so tasty. If you like to indulge in local Colorado cuisine, then get ready for a winter dinner that is sure to impress 10 chefs, all cooking for a great cause, to put future chefs through culinary school. This is going to be amazing, and it smells so good in here. We have some of the top chefs here today cooking up a storm right now, including Chef J.P. Krause, president of the Colorado Chefs Association, and Chef Jason Morse, and also student chef Sharon Tucros. Welcome to the show, you guys.
Thank you for having us.
Oh my gosh, this is absolutely delicious. I can't wait to taste test.
Right? We got a lot of taste testing coming.
All right, JP, tell me a little bit about the Chefs Association. What is it that you support?
Yeah, so we really link the community of chefs. We help everything in the Colorado community. So today we're actually featuring Colorado beef. So we're really about bringing producers, distributors, manufacturers, and chefs together to really embrace the culinary community as a whole and bringing education, not only through apprentices, but also continuing education for chefs in the real world.
You have a really big fundraiser coming up. What is it going to support?
Yeah, so that actually supports our education fund. So education fund, really, the heart of it is our apprenticeship program, and that helps put people through culinary school. They actually make money and they're able to work instead of getting a huge collection of debt while they're in school. So they learn the on-the-job skills plus other skills like accounting, how to food costs, how to order. So they really learn how to become an executive chef and not just a regular cook.
This is a dream come true for us to be able to dine and experience delicious cooking from some of the best chefs in Denver. Now, Chef Sharon, tell me a little bit how this has changed your life, this foundation. You're actually going through culinary school right now.
Oh, right. It's changed a lot. I wouldn't be able to do it.
Really?
If I didn't have this program.
Is it true you used to be a nurse and now you decided to change your life and become a chef, and this program has given you that opportunity?
Oh, right. Yeah. I couldn't do it if it'd be too hard.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of benefits. I wish I knew about this program a long time ago.
Oh, wow.
I
How
would have started
beneficial
out
is
with
that?
this. Yes.
And one of my favorite chefs back
Good
on the
morning.
show again.
Yeah.
Last time you were on, you were showing us how to brine a turkey.
We did turkey.
Yeah,
Sure.
It was delicious. Today, I'm pretty excited. You're highlighting Colorado beef.
We are.
And you're going to do it that night, too. Tell me what you're making today.
So we're doing just a little island-style inspired beef tri-tip. So we actually smoked this morning on our Traeger, brought it here. We finished it on cast iron. We're going to hit it with a little bit of spicy honey as well. But this is what we'll be showcasing for the ACF President's Dinner. So we're excited. We work with the Colorado Beef Council pretty extensively in everything we do, and it's always a blast to cook, and it's nice to serve our peers, and it's great to benefit our students because that's what keeps the cost for them down so that these opportunities are affordable. I mean, I'm a culinary student, graduate of Johnson & Wales, and there was a little bit of financial debt when I got out of school to pay off, and it's nice to have our apprentices be the recipients of this event.
So you've been through it. You know what it takes.
Yeah, it takes a lot. It takes a lot. And if you go to the culinary school way, there's some student loans you pay off at the end, and it's nice because this dinner totally benefits that apprenticeship program, which is pretty awesome.
Delicious.
So, yeah, you ready to try?
Now walk me through this.
So what we did was we seasoned it ahead of time, and we let it sit for about 10 hours with the rub on it. We wrapped it and put it in the fridge.
What kind of rub?
So we use tiki. It's just a little island style, kind of a Hawaiian inspired rub. We took it out this morning, let it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes, and then put it on the Traeger and smoked it at about 180 degrees, just a very low temperature smoke.
For how long?
We did it for a little over an hour, and what we like to do is bring it up in temperature. So the beef got to about 95 degrees, and then we seared it at the very end, so kind of like a reverse sear.
What does that do?
Reverse sear is great. I mean, if you notice this cut of beef, we get medium pretty much all the way through the entire cut of beef, because normally when you sear, you go on a very hot grill with a cold steak, and you get, the outside edges are going to be well, and then a little bit of medium well, and you get into the very center where you get that medium. Now through reverse sear, we slowly warm that steak up into that 95-degree range, and then we take it from 95 degrees to 130 degrees at the end. Wow. So you get an entire steak that's medium or medium rare.
Okay.
And it's pretty
nice
good.
Little secret. So what's next? What are you putting on it?
So we're gonna put a little fire honey, a little spicy Colorado honey. We employ like 5 billion bees to make our honey every year here in Colorado. So
I love it. And if you actually use honey from your local area, it will help with allergies, from what I understand.
Yep. And this is a wildflower, so it's basically just just a blend of a lot of different honeys from Colorado, so totally fine. And then we have a sample for you, and you're all ready. And then
I do get to eat it?
you get to eat, and then we're going to serve it on a Colorado potato hash the night of our event. So it is an all Colorado meal with all Colorado things.
Well, I'm trying
Life
to be
is
a
good,
lady, but it's hard
right?
to. There we go. All right, it's hard to eat ladylike on TV, so I'm just going for it.
Go for it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Up top. Risa, get in here. You got to try this. Everybody behind the
There we
scenes.
go.
Let's party with the top chefs. How do we get tickets, JP?
You can check us out online at acfcoloradochefs.org.com. I think the best way is just get in contact with us. There's ways to donate. There's ways to get involved with the association all throughout the year. We actually have a great golf tournament coming up. If golf's your thing, get that in early. It's a great way to get involved, have a great day, and meet the chefs one-on-one. So if you can't make it today, there's plenty of opportunities throughout the year and ways to really make a difference.
That is truly helping others pay it forward. And good luck to you. You're
Thank
going to
you.
rock it. That was delicious.
Right?
I need that recipe. Oh, tickets. They are just sold out, you guys, for the Colorado Chefs Association President's Award Dinner. But again, that doesn't mean that you can't get involved. Like JP said, you can visit afccoloradochefs.org. Again, that's afccoloradochefs.org for more information. And who knows, maybe you want to get involved in that golf tournament coming up.